Hello students, welcome to the video number 7 of unit number 1, water treatment. In our previous 6 videos, we have discussed introduction, in which sources and various impurities present in the natural water, then water quality parameters as per WHO and ISI standards. Then we have discussed the hard water and soft water, hardness as an important quality parameter and its types as a temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Then we have discussed the method to determine the hardness experimentally by ETTA method. Then we have started the discussion of softening processes. First we discussed zeolite process, and then in the previous video we have discussed ion exchange process. Now in this video we will discuss the third process of water softening, that is lime soda process. Lime soda process means we will use here a calculated quantity of lime, that is calcium hydroxide, and soda ash, that is sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Calculated quantity means we can calculate the amount of these chemicals required as per the hardness of water. When we add these chemicals in the hard water, these chemicals convert the hardness producing salts into insoluble compounds like calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. These insoluble compounds in the precipitate form, known as a sludge, we can remove by settling and filtration process. There are two types of lime soda process. One is cold lime soda process and another is hot lime soda process. Cold lime soda process are again divided in batch process and continuous process. And hot lime soda process is a continuous process. In our syllabus, we have to discuss continuous lime soda process. When we add these chemicals like lime and soda ash in hard water containing various hardness producing salts, then following reactions takes place. The calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate react with lime to produce insoluble calcium carbonate, and which can be removed by filtration, and the filtrate will be soft water. Like this, to remove bicarbonate salts of calcium and magnesium, we require only lime. But if water contains sulfates and chlorides of magnesium, then both chemicals soda ash and lime are required. First, soda ash reacts with magnesium sulfate to form magnesium carbonate, but it is a soluble, and that's why we have to remove again this magnesium carbonate by reacting it with a lime, and we will get the precipitate of magnesium hydroxide. Then if the water contains only calcium sulfate and calcium chloride, then soda ash is sufficient. Soda ash reacts with these two salts to convert that into calcium carbonate precipitate, and which can be removed by filtration. Like this, By converting these hardness producing salts either in calcium carbonate precipitate or in magnesium hydroxide precipitate, we can make the water soft. Let us see how this plant of continuous hot lime soda process exists. This plant contains three essential parts. One is a reaction tank in which there are three inlets. First inlet is for this chemicals, lime to for the addition of lime and soda ash. Another one is for this hard water, and third one is for entry of steam. As we are using steam, that's why this process is called as a hot lime soda process. Second part is a conical sedimentation vessel. A conical sedimentation vessel in which the reactions whatever taking place in the reaction tank as shown earlier, and a sludge is formed. That sludge is going to settle in this conical sedimentation vessel, and the water after sedimentation vessel, it is sent to the filtration container containing sand. So it is a sand filter. This sand filter contains finely divided sand and coarsely divided and gravels of the sand particles, which ensures the complete removal of the sludge, because while flow of the water from conical sedimentation vessel to filtration container, the particles of sludge may also follow. So to filter that, we are using here the sand filter. So as chemicals are added at high temperature in presence of a steam, that is at around 80 degrees centigrade to 150 degrees centigrade, the process is known as a hot lime soda process. So this process is a very fast process. As we are using hot condition, the reactions will take place fastly. The filtration also take place fastly. This process increases pH value of treated water. Therefore, corrosion of the pipes is reduced. To a certain extent, iron and manganese are also reduced. Alkaline nature of water reduces the pathogenic bacteria present in the water to a considerable extent. In this method, less amount of coagulants are required. Coagulants like alum are normally used in the lime soda processes, but as it is a hot process, the settling process takes place fastly. It will not take much time, so coagulants are not required much. We can get the soft water of hardness around 15 to 30 ppm. So these are the advantages of hot lime soda process. But the hardness of water around 15 to 30 ppm is also problematic for especially boilers. So in boilers, there may be the formation of scale and sludge due to such water. So this is the disadvantage of the hot lime soda process. Then there is one more problem of this process. Disadvantage of this process is a formation of a sludge. So large quantity of the sludge, it is a problem to dispose. So The disposal of calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide is also a problematic. So this is all regarding the hot lime soda process of softening of a water. In the next lecture, we will see one more important quality parameter of water, that is dissolved oxygen. Thank you.